Hey everyone! Tired of bouncing between a dozen tools just to manage your online business? You're not alone. Keeping up with SEO, content creation, web scraping, and product updates can be a total headache, especially when nothing works smoothly together. That's why today's video is all about the SmartSpreadsheets lifetime deal. It turns your regular Google Sheets into an AI-powered automation hub, saving you time, money, and a ton of stress. Let's explore how this brilliant tool can save you hours, boost your output, and even build websites, straight from your spreadsheet. What is SmartSpreadsheets? SmartSpreadsheets is an all-in-one automation suite built directly into Google Sheets. It lets you build WordPress websites, generate AI-powered content, manage SEO, automate web scraping, and handle e-commerce tasks without leaving your spreadsheet. Designed for creators, marketers, and online business owners, it turns a basic sheet into a powerful workflow engine. No coding, no juggling multiple platforms, just clean, efficient automation. It's like having a full digital team built right into your Google Sheets, ready to handle repetitive tasks and scale your operations faster than ever. Save big on SmartSpreadsheets, no subscriptions needed. Normally, to get this kind of enterprise-level automation, you'd be paying hefty monthly fees across 4 to 5 platforms. However, AppSumo is offering lifetime access for just a one-time payment, no subscriptions, no stress, no limits. Now, let's break down the plans you can grab right now on AppSumo. License Tier 1, one-time purchase of $49, originally valued at $89. Perfect for beginners who want access to 3 powerful tools with unlimited usage. Get 3 premium automation tools: Smart Spreadsheet Writer, Smartsheet Mailer, Social Post Pro. It's like giving your spreadsheet an upgrade to genius level for less than the price of a dinner out. License Tier 2, one-time purchase of $98, originally valued at $178. This is where the real automation magic happens. Get 15 premium automation tools: Sheet 2 WP WordPress Builder, Complete SEO Suite, Data Scraping Tools, Marketing Suite, Use Your Own API Key, works in all languages. This tier is perfect if you're serious about growth, automation, and making your spreadsheets do the heavy lifting. Features that make SmartSpreadsheets a genius. Build WordPress sites with zero code. Yep, you read that right. Turn your spreadsheets into fully functioning WordPress websites. AI-powered content creation. Write blogs, product descriptions, and SEO articles in minutes. Complete SEO toolkit. Keyword clustering, Google indexing, and rank tracking are all right there inside your Google Sheets. Web scraping without coding. SmartSpreadsheets automates all of it and pulls it right into your sheet in real time. E-commerce integration. Update your inventory, pricing, and listings in bulk, no manual updates, ever again. Custom workflows with API. Hook into your favorite tools and services using your own API keys. Who can get the most out of SmartSpreadsheets? Bloggers, YouTubers, Shopify sellers, affiliate marketers, digital agencies, SEO experts, freelancers, and solopreneurs. Claim your extra 10% off in seconds. Got your eyes set on SmartSpreadsheets? I've got some spicy news. You can grab an extra 10% off this lifetime deal. Yep, savings on savings. Step by step for the extra 10% off. Go to AppSumo's SmartSpreadsheets deal page. Wait for the discount pop-up. Enter your email address. Grab the coupon from your inbox. Apply it at checkout and enjoy the discount. Reviews that SmartSpreadsheets lifetime deal on AppSumo get. Are you still waiting? So, still thinking about it? Come on, don't let this deal slip away. With SmartSpreadsheets, you stop wasting time and start automating smart. You build websites, write content, manage SEO, and run your online biz, all in your Google Sheets. This is your sign. Check out the full AppSumo offer in the description and secure your lifetime deal now before it's gone forever. And hey, if this review helped, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons for more tech tutorials and SaaS reviews. Let's automate smarter, not harder.